Of scientists to actually growing replacement organs from a patient's own cells, or making it possible for patients who've lost their eyesight to see again. It may sound futuristic, but at a Biotech conference in San Francisco, investors are listening to those possibilities with an eye toward the future. KTVU Health and Science editor John Fowler has our reports.
The Westin St. Francis Hotel on Union Square today buzzed with some seemingly far out and riveting new ideas in health science.
We regenerate human organs from a patient's own cells.
That's right. In clinical trials, they've regrown new bladders and implanted them in patients. Next, maybe new kidneys. Tenjian says its new organs from old technology may conquer America's biggest killer.
Patients with coronary artery disease, there may be a real potential cure in the form of regenerated vessels, blood vessels for those patients.
The world's top investors are hearing 4 days of pitches from hundreds of companies. NeoVista of Fremont says its one-time eye treatment for age-related macular degeneration replaces monthly injections. It says the new treatment could save $1 billion a year and untold anguish over possible blindness.
We have a treatment here that will have a significant impact on the patient's quality of life.
Unless these investors recognize the financial benefits outweigh the risks, tomorrow's medical breakthroughs will not happen. That's why this conference is so important to your health.
Most important that probably happens here at this conference is the coming together of the early stage invention and the early stage innovation with the early stage investor.
And these early stage investors, many with PhDs or MDs themselves, are savvy about biotech risk.
One never knows how the clinical trial will turn out and whether the FDA will get approval and how long it takes.
Ambit Biosciences talked about its new cancer drugs and the fact that small companies often do the key work on medical breakthroughs.
We bridge that gap in risk that large companies aren't willing to take. And if we can resolve that risk, then all of a sudden we have a wonderful product.
A product talked up here that may save your life in 10 years. Health and Science editor John Fowler, KTVU, Channel 2 News.
There's yet more evidence tonight reaffirming what many scientists and doctors have said for years, that there is no link between vaccines and autism. A 12-year study